4:45 to go here in our final race. Gotta work with those race leaders, guys. Gotta work with those race leaders. Right there, red, white, blue. Right there in front of Dickerson. I hate to say it, but traffic has played a huge part no matter how much traffic I called out there in these main events. Traffic right there behind Cortez, the race leader, has played a huge part of the main events out here. And again, traffic gonna do it again. So doing my best. You guys know the red, white, and blue are those race leaders. As I've said a few times already in the first 2 minutes. 4 minutes. Dickerson with second place now coming up. With only 10 drivers out there on this huge track, traffic will never be that much of a factor, but just like anything else, it is. They do their best, but I'd like to see that improve in round number 3. Spencer Templeman and Bill Jordan up to a top 3 run here. There's Spencer, there's Mason, and where is Jordan in the all-orange yellow wheels? Coming up on Cortez and Dickerson. And Billy Hayden right there around Cortez. Looks like Parker gonna have the all green and white coming up on him. Thank you, get back in it. You are battling with Cortez, so Parga. That one right in front of you. There's the battle for ninth across the line, Parga and Burnell. The battle for second, Jordan and Hayden. 3 minutes left. 3 down, 3 to go, halfway point. Watch the 5-pack, watch the 5-pack. Oh man, Hayden, he saw a little light right there. A little daylight out of Jordan, and again, a little more daylight, but being patient, I like to drive out of Billy Hayden here. I don't think I've ever seen him use yellow wheels before. But he's trying them out. White wheels are more consistent, yellow wheels are better for hot lap. So that's a fact. White wheels are definitely more consistent. Woo! Gutter ball for Bill Jordan down the skin by there as they were wheel to wheel down the front side straightaway. Full on bowling gutter ball for Jordan. I don't know how that thing is still going in the right direction, but she is. Oh, Mason's right here in the center of the track by Dan. I didn't realize he was off the track here. As he went flying down the street, so Hayden up to the booth. And Jordan, that's why they were battling out for second and third. So Spencer, Hayden, Jordan, Wyrick, Mueller, top 5. Cortez 6, Vargas 7, Templeman 8, Dickerson, Burnell, and Gale. Our running order with 1:35 to go. Top 3 will go straight to the podium. Awesome day of racing. We're going to be done out here early with just over 200 entries. 211 to be exact. Maybe got a late entry or 2 after that, but I know last time I saw 211. Just past 7:30. 1:15 to go. Spencer, 16-second lead. Wyrick, so the race leader, actually going to give up that lead. Battle position there for Wyrick to let him round the battle. Jordan, as he has a 16-second lead, so he grabbed a nice cold soda and some nice buttery popcorn. And he's going to watch the battle for the final podium spot. Oh, and Jordan going to give Wyrick a little brake check there. As the whole driver's stand is starting to shake now. The orange truck in third. Wyrick blue and orange in fourth with 35 seconds to go. We're going to make it by here for this one plus one more. Jordan racing a lot of nitro lately, but he ain't no fool. He started with the 10 scales, and that's how you get fast. Start with the 10 scales, and you can drive anything. Oh, Wyrick in a case in here. 20 seconds to go. Definitely make it by. The white checkered flag is going to be up this time by. 15